Fortunately, we have a
Okay.
great team here, Jacob and Closters, and the farm runs without us. So that's
Okay.
fantastic. And we travel, and both of them are different. The older boy says, "Yes, I want to go and study in the Netherlands." The younger one is at a moment saying, "I don't want to study anymore." So we don't know where he'll go.
Okay. Okay. Sharon, what's your take on this?
Yeah, so we wanted to create a place for them to grow up in harmony in nature and to be exposed to a lot of green. I know what it meant for me when I was growing up and have that freedom.